Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video we will be writing an program for selection sort. So let's see how the selection sort works by visualizing the algorithm. So as you can see, it is very simple algorithm. All it is doing is finding the minimum element from the, like, first it is dividing the whole array into two parts, and it is finding the minimum element in the second part and the replacing it with the first element, which is the minimum. So that is how it will proceed. And if you want to watch, like, let me fast forward it so you can easily get how does this thing happens. Now as you can see how it works, now let's code it out in Python. So I am using Python. The basic reason behind using Python is that so it is an easier language and things are much easier to implement in this language. So now we have made an array. Now I need to define n and pass into it the length of array. So now I have length of array and array. What else we need is, now we would need to move through the array. So for that I will do for I in range. So now range in this case could be n, because Python is smart and it will move through n only. And then after moving through the whole array, first thing we need to do is set the minimum variable. So first minimum would be just a of I. So that can be minimum variable. And what else we need to do is minimum, we need to set minimum pointer, which would be I. Then I can go for another for loop in which I will do where j in range. So where will j move from? So j will move from I plus 1 to basically n. So in that, now we have to compare if the element, that is j, so if a of j is greater than a of minimum, is less than a of minimum. So if we found an element which is smaller than a of j, it's smaller than our element which we selected as minimum by default, it was first in first pass, then all we need to do is set minimum pointer equal to j. So I hope this, no, min pointer, are those both same things? Yes, they are. They look basically same. Maybe there is some mistake, otherwise it should identify it. So now giving a save, and as soon as the for loop is over, so after this, after we have compared the whole j thing and the for loop is over, we need to do swapping. So a of I comma a of minimum, min pointer has to become a of min pointer comma a of I. So this is how you basically swap in Python. In other languages you can take a variable which is temporary, but that's why we choose Python. It is much easier to implement when you're using Python. And then just give print to a, and I'll do selection sort.py. So what's the error? Let's see, there is an error on line 7. So list indices must be integer, not a built-in Okay, so it's basically saying that it wants us to be integer, so it is integer only. Let us do this. If so, it is not accepting or what j. Okay, so this was a mistake. I had, had to write it minimum pointer. And as you can see, the whole array is sorted. So this is how you sort using selection sort. I hope it is clear to you, and you can also implement it. Like it is very easy to implement using Python. Just 10 lines of code, and you are done with your selection.